Hello YouTube, I'm Tyler and welcome back to another Fischler Moto video.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Today I'm in my garage as earlier on in the day the postman turned up with a parcel. Let's see what's inside. Hey, Carbon Micron NCAN for the ZX6R. I've been after one of these for about a year now, as to me, the period right. Hopefully it should sound better than the shortened Scorpion NCAN I've currently got on there, and hopefully the neighbours prefer this one as well. I paid £80 for this, including postage, which for second hand I didn't think was too bad. Overall it looks good, needs a bit of a clean, tidy, polish, but it hasn't got major scratches and it don't look like it's been down the road. So for 80 quid, I'm happy. Like I just said, I'm going to give it a clean up, as this looks a bit grubby. This could just do a bit of a polish and a clean, and then I'll put it on the bike. New to me, Micron NCAN, ready to go straight on the ZX6R. Now this is done, let's get the bike in the garage, get it bolted on, see what it sounds like. This is the NCAN, what came on the bike when I bought it last year. It's the Scorpion NCAN, some people would call it a stubby, some people would just call it a short can, but either way, they're very loud and too loud for the track. Before we put this bike in the garage and change the NCAN, let's start it up and see what it sounds like. So now we've got the Ninja in the garage. To get the NCAN off, you're going to want a 6mm Allen key and a 13mm spanner for the clamp. Start off by undoing these 3 bolts, what hold the NCAN on, then undo the clamp nut and it should just slide off. have it. The Micron exhaust is on the bike. That was a really easy, really simple exhaust swap to do. Literally took me 10 minutes and it's a really easy job anyone can do themselves at home. I like how it looks, but let's get the bike started and see how it sounds. And there you go, YouTube. The exhaust is swapped, everything's all done, I've taken it for a ride and I'm really happy with the results. It looks fantastic, it sounds really good, and overall it's a bit quieter, maybe even a little too quiet, but I can live with it. And also, an added bonus, the bike kind of feels like now it's got a full length end can on, it's got a little bit more grunt lower down in the RPM. Hopefully you found this video really helpful and useful. If so, please make sure to give it a like. Also, give the channel a subscribe because there'll be more how-to videos coming soon. If you've got any questions, leave a comment or drop me a message on Fish4Moto Instagram page. Thanks for watching. As a little treat, until next time, here's a video of the bike with no exhaust.